So Christian, vibe coding for beginners. What are we doing and why should people care?
Well, Joe, generative AI has opened up this whole new world of software development where people can use AI to code, even if they don't know how to code themselves.
So that's vibe coding?
Vibe coding is a lot like good pizza. Individual definitions may vary, but I'd say so, yes.
Well, now I want pizza. But wait, if people can make AI code for them, what do they need us for? Can't we just let them loose to play with the AI and then we can go get them pizza?
Well, there's a little more to it than that. Let's say you tell Gemini, Google's generative AI, to write you some code. It'll do it, no problem. But then what do you do with it? How do you turn that code into a running computer program? How do you fix mistakes the AI might have made? And once you get something useful running, how do you keep it running? How do you keep it secure? It's one thing to write code, it's another to build software.
Yikes. Well, now it sounds difficult.
It is challenging, but it's also fun. All you need to be is curious and motivated. If you have that, we can help you get
From zero to app?
exactly. Throughout this course, we'll show you how to build a whole application from scratch.
And folks taking this course will have a chance to build it themselves too, right?
Yep, we'll have self-guided lessons to explain in depth what you and I do in the videos. Then there are labs where you can build the app yourself. Of course, you can also just do everything that we're doing in the videos in your own Google Cloud account at your own pace.
So it's a hands-on experience for anyone who wants it to be.
Absolutely.
All right, so what are we building?
It's a customer relationship management, or CRM app, called My Customers. It's a website that lets you track the work you do for different customer accounts. I'll use it like it's for a freelance writing business, but you can adapt this any way you want.
You could track customer accounts or candidates you're interviewing.
You could track lab samples or even just projects around the house.
That's cool, but is that all it can do? Track customers?
Well, you can add, edit, view, and delete an individual customer's info. You can track their progress across those different phases. Over here, view accounts with work you've already finished. Keep it all secure by restricting the access to you, the site owner. And the cherry on top is for each customer, you can generate a custom invoice.
People pay for tools like that.
People do, but people watching this will learn to build this tool or just about anything else for themselves. Stay with us, we'll show you how.
Well, Christian, I'm ready to start vibing. Are you?
Absolutely.